Morning, or early afternoon now. No, it's in the middle. We are going to Walmart, a new Walmart on the 192 we haven't been to before. We're going there, maybe to a GameStop. You just press the top. There you go, watch. That's done. And just chilling out by the pool again. I think we're going to order some tea. There's Madison.
Oh, what?
I think we're going to order something from Domino's maybe, or Chinese maybe.
It's not going to kill you.
Did you get it?
No.
Madison's been
I
fighting with
smashed it now. It's on
Push
the
the
top
finger.
of the It's on the top of the window because I smashed it, but when on my finger.
Lucky bug finger now.
Ew. I've seen some biting on me. Let's see if we can find it.
We've got to a new Walmart, this one. We've never been here before. This one, literally, there's the 192. Just over yonder. This one, I don't think it was here 2 years ago when we came. I could be wrong, but I don't think it was. So we're going to go and have a look. There's, we love a good Walmart.
We love a good Walmart.
Certainly do.
We love Walmart, don't we?
There's a completely different layout to the other ones.
And it's weird.
What's different from this one?
We've got rammed. I'm recording you now. I'm recording you because you're ramming into me.
Did it on purpose.
This is a really good layout, this place. I like it. Oh, the Halloween treats. I can see something Rick and Morty related.
Tech deck dudes. Huh?
Hello, neighbour.
Hello, neighbour.
What is it?
We've got a massive barbecue section. Oh my god. I love some of these. Look at that absolute mammoth. $154. Oh, it's a steal. A steal. They have barbecue food every night. Epic. Oh, there's a pool house. Let's have a look down here. Oh, they're like paddling pools and stuff. What is it good for? Absolutely nothing. Looking for the kids because they're in the toy aisle somewhere. Looking for wrestlers, I imagine. Oh, there we go.
I'm not buying any wrestling.
Razor Ramon. Razor Ramon.
Dad, look what I'm wearing.
That's what I'm wearing.
Look what I'm wearing.
You've got some proper cool new Vans on, haven't you? Them Bobby Dazzlers. Yeah, some cool shoes, young lady.
Still cat mermaid. Look, cat mermaid.
Cat mermaid.
Yep.
They're the best kind of mermaids.
Yep. Because they're so.
So we've got loads of. Let's go over here for a sec. I'll meet you in a sec. We've got loads of cool clothes. It's George, which is Asda at home. I'm not going to show you everything, obviously. But they do tons and tons of really nice shirts, polo shirts, t-shirts, jeans, bigger sizes up to 3XL I've seen. There you go. I don't know if you can see that actually. Up to 3XL. I think there's even 4XL on some of these tops. So if you've got somebody with bigger sizes, there's 3XL. And extra large. There's loads nice choice. And I mean, Wrangler, $14 for a shirt. I've just got about 3 shirts there for like $9 each. So there's loads and loads of bargains at this Walmart on the 192. Madison clothes shopping. You found anything you like?
Yeah, this stuff.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, I like this one.
That's bright. So we've got whole dress outfits there for $16.96. So some absolute bargains for the kids as well. We always come, every time we come, we always get the kids loads of clothes from George. Good quality. Lasts a while and it's always a good price.
Because it never has much.
You what, mate?
It never has much, does it?
You haven't got much wrestlers in?
No.
We haven't been to Hulk Hogan's speech shop yet, have we?
Yeah, I'm saving up my
All of the sweets you've got.
You want to make sure that you're protecting it. There's a really cool app on iPhone. It's in the shortcuts called Police. And
92 Fahrenheit
as
outside.
soon as you get pulled over, it starts recording your interaction with the cops. And it'll even dim the phones so the cop won't even know that they're recording. So,
Hey?
yeah, like I said, one of those paranoid people.
Paradise Palms.
That's cool to check out.
It's like in Fortnite, prove the kids wrong because I used to think there was one over here.
Coming up next later.
Grandad was right.
Chevrolet traffic center.
Traffic starting to build along I-4 eastbound between Colorado and Giant. Right? Also, a big heading westbound along I-4 near the 408. We are reaching all the 408. The beach line is moving up between I-4 and the coast.
Oh, yeah, that's nice. We're in Ross now, on Posner Park.
$12.
Some retail therapy. Keep zooming in.
Hey?
I keep zooming in by accident. So Ross, again, is like a crazy TK Maxx on roids, where you'll find loads of shit, I can probably say. But then in amongst it all, there's some really good stuff. And the big shops. It goes all the way back there. I can't zoom in that far, I don't think. It goes all the way back. And there's some absolute bargains. Bargains. You just gotta find them. That's what we're here to do.
Live in the dicks next door.
Okay.
So we've already found 2 t-shirts for Travis. So look,
Hold on a sec. 1 second. They're 5 to 6.
so they are $8.99 each. So this is the kind of bargains you can find as long as you root through the stuff. $8.99 is not bad at all. The name tag stuff. So I found these bad boys. UK 12 football boots, $25. Going for 60 quid on eBay. And we're off to Best Buy. What do you mean? Just recording the sign. Oh, right. Yeah, but I'm just letting people know. That sign's what you should be doing there. Stop. Love this woman more than life itself. Just following her around because she's sexy.
Fucking.
Smile, you're in Best Buy.
Look at that. Back on Pro version 2 is cheaper than the original. I think it was that. That shitty thing.
It was hot chocolate.
You definitely got. I've definitely got you on video singing this song.
No, not this one you haven't.
Pretty sure.
Yeah. It's hot chocolate.
Why don't you just sing Hot Chocolate to this song then?
You can't sing hot chocolate to this song.
Why can't you? You can do anything you want to do. Just gotta put your mind to it.
Huh?
I'm sure it was something else.
Are you sure?
I've got him singing about 5 different songs over the course of the years.
To say.
Well, it says like that.
Oh hell, I'm in the wrong lane here.
How we going here?
I'm in the wrong lane. Quick, don't film this.
No, father. It's breaking the law. It's breaking the law.
Breaking the law.
He's gone down the left lane like an absolute noob tourist.
I've gone down as if I was in England. Whoa!
Imagine if somebody else came out there and be like, what the frig's going on with this guy?
Right. I knew there was nobody coming. You better take cover. Woo!
Where are we going here? What road's this? We've never been on this road ever.
Sorry, what? We haven't now.
Hasn't even got half the street lights working. I don't think anyone expects to even come down this road. Oh, don't start turning all different roads.
Go down this way.
Oh my god.
Here you go.
Thanks, fella.
Do you order the Chinese? Where do you order it from?
Golden Dragon.
Golden Dragon.
There, hey. What? No, you're alright.
Golden Dragon Chinese restaurant. One of our favourite things about the Chinese is the pots that come in. Total American style Chinese pots.
Didn't ask her because no answer was no.
We've got the shrimp curry
This is not
with onions.
Okay.
Absolutely beautiful. We've also got shrimp chow mein as well. It's very nice. But this has been the surprise one. I mean, I wouldn't get a curry. It's absolutely beautiful. It's Madison's first. Is this your first ever Klondike bar?
My third.
Your third one already. I already got them 2 days ago. You like them?
Yeah.
What's your favourite part about the Klondike bar?
Chocolate.
The chocolate coating, eh?
Wait, the ice cream.
Wait, the ice cream, okay.
Wait, both. All of it.
Oh my goodness, which one is it?
All of
Madison
it.
Robson, you're an enigma. I don't understand which one you like. Give me all options there.
Neither do I.
Eh?
Neither do I.
Just like it all, eh?
Yeah.
Not wrong with that. Everybody seems to like this in the house.
So nice.
Very Fanta. It's a dangerous blue colour. But it's absolutely beautiful.
Oh, I'm
Drunk
actually
by a
after
bottle full.
blue.